Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to find duplicate NID number in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, then ensure the Excel document is the from name of the number is NID number is the find for the duplicate. Firstly, select your all IND number. Now going to the conditional formatting option. Now click with the highlight cells option. Now click with the duplicate values option. Now click with the OK. That's OK. Then let's show the find duplicate NID number in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.